Hey gang, Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. I am off to showcase a special business here on the island. It's a new business and I'm so excited for them. I am excited for them, but I miss them. I'm going to be honest. Seatbelt. There's a new cop in town and they say he's really strict. So seatbelt. Anyway, we are going to showcase a new business. As we all know, Backyard Fire Pit closed their barbecue business. Although they will do special orders. So if you want any of their brisket or anything, they will take special orders. And they are running, it's hot in my car. I'm not complaining. It is, but they do special orders. They are running certain weekends. Patrick will fire up the smoker and they'll sell their brisket, or she'll make some soups and she'll sell the soups by the quart. Takeout only. There's no more food truck. They still have their cottage license, so they're still able to cook in their home and everything. But they have a new Trinity Gardens and Sheds business. And it is right at their home, right at their location. It's a self-serve business, so they have the stand set up. You go up to the stand, pick out what you want, and you either use their QR code to activate to pay, or you can pay cash. So we're headed there now. I'm headed up Church Street. I just got my hair cut, and we're going to Lita Scullion. Remember her. If you ever need a haircut, that's the lady. She is amazing. But if you ever need plants, they're going to have, they have a plant booth set up that selling live plants. She is, once the flowers start to bloom and everything, she's going to do arrangements. She'll sell bouquets out of there and things like that. They're also having a Mother's Day sale. And on the Mother's Day sale, she's even going to have a little table set up for kids with to do planting. So we are almost here now. So we're going to check out this little beautiful booth. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It is so cute here. So she's got some hanging baskets out here. So they are across the street from Chincoteague Cultural Alliance. Just so you know where they are, in case you never went to their barbecue stand, their barbecue food truck. They are on Church Street, and we are going to go see what they are going to be doing here. And Patrick is making these greenhouses too, so I'm going to flip it around. So, Church Street, right on by the churches, right down from the Catholic Church, on the same side of the street as the Catholic Church here. And so this is Patrick's greenhouse that he's making. And these are custom built, and they're playing pickleball over here. So yeah, there's your pricing. There's the phone number you can call, and they're fully assembled when delivered, and you can see all the good stuff there. If you have a question, you can always pause it, and you can see that they have plants in here too. I already told Lisa that I was coming. Oh my God, look at that lettuce. Wow. Yeah. Lots of plants for sale. I think I need to come over here with my wallet. And then they've got the hanging plants, which is cool. And then they've got their bird houses. And you can see the QR code. Here's where you pay in this little yellow building. There's the QR code, scan to pay, or there's the cash box. They've got some bird houses. They're doing eggs, maple syrup, and then all the plants. So you can see what they have. They've got some hot peppers. They've got, it looks like this is the pepper one. Jigsaw hot pepper purple. Oh, that sounds pretty. You know I'm all about purple. There's another one, cayenne purple. And then there's some tomato plants over here. And yeah, look at all of this. Lots of chives, cilantro. I'll take parsley instead. Basil. Oh, cinnamon basil. Oh yeah, that might be coming home with me. Rhubarb. I'm just checking out some of the different butter crisp lettuce. I might have to get some of that too, because that looks really good. Yeah. So guys, you definitely need to check this out. And then here's some other plants that they have going. And oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty. I love it. And then they do have these beautiful gardens. I don't even know where they are. I'm just walking around their house. She knows I'm here. And then they are going to set up extra plants that they have for sale back here on their lot. And yep, so there's extra plants for sale. And she's going to have some fresh cut herbs and stuff for sale when they start to grow in and everything. So you need to check them out. Church Street. They are now called Trinity Gardens and Sheds. And you need to come by, stop, bring your Cash App or your cash itself, and they would love to see you. So come on by. See, that's their house. You can see it because you can't miss it because it's got the big greenhouse in the front. And yeah, so stop by, and I know they'd appreciate your business. If anybody's getting ready to plant your garden, now's your time. They got lots of beautiful plants for you. And yeah, I think I want to scan some plants because I think I need some cinnamon basil. I really need cinnamon basil. And some of that butter lettuce that just looks so good. So you guys all have a great day. Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. Stop by Church Street, Trinity Gardens and Shed.